Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can scale non-humanoid bones and make it into a toggle. So for example, let's say for example, you want to make it where your tail, for instance, gets bigger or smaller or something like that. I don't know, some toggle like that. For my case, I'm going to use my wings as demonstration of making them giant and then small, pretty much. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Discover tab here. I'm going to go ahead and type in scale on the search bar here, make sure that I'm in plugins, and then we're going to look at the scale by path node here. So click on that, make sure that you click on the subscribe button so that way you can download this node. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the blueprints here. We're going to go ahead and add a blueprint here. We're going to rename this to scaled example. You can name it something else, up to you. But I'm going to call it scale example for demonstration purposes. I'm going to click on the collapse sidebar. You can always expand it back. And then what you're going to do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to do a keystroke on pressed here, but you can, of course, set this to Stream Deck if you need to, like so. I can name this to scale something, you know. And then set the number here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in scale. And let's see here, somewhere around here, scale by path. You're going to look for that one, scale by path. And this is the node from Vyasu, right here. And then what you're going to do, for this case, we're going to add a flip-flop node because we're going to flip between two different conditions, the giant size and then our default. And of course, it can go vice versa, whatever the frick. So let's connect these two together here. Again, this is going to be where your triggers are, you know, your hotkey. And then over here, we're going to scale by path, set this to your character, and then you're going to add an element here. So it's going to have this giant list of stuff here. Oh my god. You're going to have to look through it. Pretty much for reference, you could just look into Unity and see the file paths. Pretty much look for that last, you see that little, the last name here? That's the bone's name. The bone name of, you know, that's in your avatar. You could look at Unity for reference. But yeah, but this is going to be messy, so sorry about that. But I think my wings are somewhere at the bottom. Yep, they are. So I'm going to choose the right wing for demonstration. And then I'm going to duplicate this, Control-C, then Control-V. So that way B is going to be the default scale, 111. And then over here, I'm going to set this to be 2, for example. Let's make this wing giant. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the 1 button. That's a giant wing. And then I press 1 again. You scale it down. So that way, if you want to do any scale toggles, this is pretty much how you do it. I hope that this tutorial helps you out on doing a scale toggle, and I hope that you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!